guys are about to spend the day with me.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You see me,
Guys, this is my mom. Ustretsegile lana ngoba ngibhekela udokotela wamehlo. Siyakhumbula? Siyowenza eye check, eye test, something like that. Guys, I'm looking for an eye doctor to do an eye test. But I need to do an eye test. Because I'm getting my learners. And then I want to get my driver's license. And then I'm going to be driving. And then you guys are going to see me in vlogs. You drive. Guys, I'm back home. I didn't have the required things to get my eye checked. Yeah, my eye watch test. So now I need to go get my ID and proof of residence and charge my phone because I have no battery and I really want to vlog for the rest of the day. Okay guys, I have my proof of residence and my ID. Now I have to go. And even I'm busy on vlog. I decided to bring my cable with me. I hope it's a charge if I charge. But yeah. Change of plans. We are hungry, so we're gonna get steers. About going with my mom is that I don't have to pay for anything. Basically, if I'm with my parents, I don't have to pay for nothing. So which one are we having? I usually go for a Sprite, but my mom likes Fanta Orange. And I'll take this one because now I got Fanta Pineapple. What's the last is all about what's very sweet regular customer she's stop someone fast years to pay like this name thing. Nobody's talking about Mala.
Mama.
Lisu mama. Kumbe wakhona la before uvula igaraji. Wakhona la before uvula le garage. La ngekho lutho.
Your closest is closed
Nangena kwisitulo.
in the back, but inside.
Did you bring your train back?
Yes.
How was the oral?
Can you hold it for me? The chairs are busy falling.
What?
Someone pushed me and then it dropped, but the cartoon is gonna break.
Okay.
It's black.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, the beautiful face on your screen is Unothando Luyanda Kavela, and to my returning subscribers, to the G-Force, welcome to another video by Dima Kavela. As you guys saw in the title of the video, it is I spend the weekend with me. So yeah, guys, camping. I'm gonna put the poster right here. It's such an honor to be able to go to Le Campo. I am going to see the venue before you guys see it. I know there are probably gonna be other people there, and don't be nice, but whoever is gonna be there, Tina Sizobona, venue enjoy before you guys do. Because it's my first time going there. But now it's a new place. But anyways, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Road to 10,000 subscribers. So please do me a favor. Because my vlogs I feel I got 20,000 views. I feel 100,000 views. I shonele, but you guys don't subscribe. But you come back and watch the videos, which means you like the content. So why don't you subscribe? It doesn't take anything away from you. I'll kokeli show me ngenyanga. No monga nali data. Masulfaka out sulfaka sesuya kweleta ngoba subscribe at no time. Sebezokuthathela akudli lutho nalokho kudla kumina nje ngokuthi ngipostela ama video ukuthi entertainment. Look, of course you use your data when you're watching, which is something you're already doing really, because you are watching. So please make sure you just hit that subscribe button so we both can have a healthy relationship. You see, just go and subscribe. But anyways, yeah guys, let me show you my dress. Okay, this is the top part. What I like about this dress is that I don't have to wear a bra with it. So, okay, let me show you the whole dress because it's a long dress. Let me show you. To move places. Can you even see it? You can't, right? Yeah, you're probably like, Notanda, you are so blonde, you Dumbo. I'm wearing white shoes because I don't. Can you see them? I don't know what to do like this. Let's go. Yeah, let me update you guys. So Sutlana, it is, which is that's a mega seats, basically mega seats. That's where we're gonna meet, and then we're gonna travel so long. That's the let's have we ham. Let's have we ham. And Yinde madoda. That's a man.
Zokulandela ujuice. Hayi amanzi ujuice. Engeleni kwami. Ngihleli mangibuya akasekho umfana. Mangithi ke nginike isikhathi ngekamereni lami. Ngimfica usesekamereni. Ase ngimbuza ngathi usufuna ekamereni.
Ngisehlala la. Sofuna nemakamereni. Ngisehlala la. Sofuna nemakamereni. Ngisehlala la. Sofuna nemakamereni. Ngisehlala
Asobekezela kuze kulunge.
sekulunge. Sobelezela kusekulunge. Sobelezela kusekulunge. Thina sobelezela kusekulunge. Apitizela.
I shooting, guys, it's in the morning, it's okay. I don't know, where are we? The Royal Palace. This is where we are.
Royal Palace.
A section of it.
Yeah.
Plus sockers.
We're about to take a shower.
Hibo. It's the Zulu spirits. It's the Zulu. It's that Shaga kicking in. How is that? Hey, Nicole, I'm going to 1, 2, 3. Ha. Suga. Tasa. Nicole, let's do it. It's crazy, guys. Yeah, but it's just pandemic. It's not bad.
Not bad, babe. We're back again. We look better.
Yeah.
We look alive.
Pockets. Okay. It's just Content. Guys, this is coming. I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm guessing it's long cool. But this is also like. Inyawo zami ngayibona nsimbi kanjani. Oh God.
Wena wesilo.
Onyane ya makosa
wasulu.
wabesisa wena wesilo Onyane ya makosa Nithanda wena Angasemalo Ntombe Bamuhle Nithanda wena Dale hayibo Ntombe Ushi
Two manjos, ma'am. Baba, two manjos. Ngicabanga ukuthi uzamamba again. Again, usne. Again. Abuga. Say hi. Hi to the viewers. Guys, bathi bayabuka ama vlogs ami. Sakufollow. Yabona ukuthi ama vlogs ami abuka abantu aba. Yes. Okay, give me guys your names. Let's start here.
Ngubane kwenzeka.
Abe nathi Mbuyisi
Khoza Thando.
Uthanda Gabela niyazi ke nani. So guys, subscribe lapha.
To the chief
Ngizokufaka ngempela uzobona. Go. Makasompisi mina. Awusela. Hayi bo.